Welcome guys to my Tech Gadgets Unboxing channel. So today's video is a very interesting gadget that I am going to show you is 6+2 layer fancy portable foldable collapsible closet. Yes friends, you heard me right. This is a portable wardrobe that you need for your personal use or who needs for a single bachelor guys who are single bachelor guys. This gadget is a very fantastic gadget. It is cheap. The price is 1249. Yes, you heard me right. 1249 is 1249 rupees only. The link is in my description box and as well as in my comment section. I have pinned and you can check it out. Okay, as well as the price also, so don't forget it. So this video, what's make it so special? The first is it is in light in weight. Second is it is easy to assemble and dismantle it. And third, you can travel it anywhere part of the world. Yes, it comes in a very small case. You have to pack in a suitcase and you can travel over it whether you have water problem or not. Okay, so let's see that first you have to take the major precautions while building this, because while shooting the video me and my father were assembling it. So while shooting it, so I got injured on my hand. Let's see, it was 2-3 weeks ago. So I just got recovered from it. It was a very dangerous and hazard. Almost my skin was peeled out. So short, make sure safety first and then start it your assembling. Okay, so during this assembly, this product is totally a jigsaw puzzle. Yes, so make sure that you have to watch this video till the end. Okay, so you get the idea how to assemble it, what comes inside this product, and how the final product is. At the end of the video I will tell you what is the height, what is the all the size and all, and how much the product is strong. I will tell you at the end of the video. Okay, so if you're new to this video, hit the subscribe button right video and click on the bell icon. Don't forget it. Okay, so finally let's start the video. So guys, I'm going to start unboxing. Now as you can see here that this gadget can be easily fit in your suitcase. Okay, I just opened it now and let's see. You can see some plastics connectors. I'm going to just put it down. You can see it here. Then you have some steel rods approximate around 1 meters, something like. Okay, you can see it. There is a 2 set of steel rod, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, it is a hanger type, and 7. The previous tools are you can hang your hanger on it, and these are white sheets. Okay, and then I'm going to show it here. It is a nylon type, very tough material. It is unbreakable. So 3 sheets, 4 sheets, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 sheets are there, and there is a red cloth of red wine color. I will show it later how to put on those on your portable wardrobe. Now I'm just keeping it aside. I'm going to show it here some connectors, some connectors. Okay, the first is four-way connector. You can see left, right, top and bottom. There are three connectors: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 connectors are there, and these are three connectors, three-way connector. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the both center connectors are very different. Okay, so I'm going to, yeah, 3, and see here, these are different connectors. The first one is different and the second one is different. Okay, there are four connectors of four-way connector. And now, okay, I'm going to keep it aside, and then three-way connectors of 4 pieces. And now I'm showing you here there are two different types of connectors. One is three-way connector and second one is four-way connector. Okay, now here is two-way connectors. There are 4 pieces: 5, 6, 7, 8 connectors of two-way. Now small four-way connectors, I'm going to show it all over here. Okay, so here it is. There are three-way connectors also, and the four ways, they are all mixed up. So I'm going to show it all around. So here, okay, so here are our total connectors which we are going to assemble while our portable wardrobe assembling. Now we just making up space and all. Just keeping them aside. Now this white sheet is a pretty tough, here, unstretchable and all. Here is a hole in it, on the side. And now you can see here this part should be at downside, and another designing part will be on the upward side. Okay, now we are here to take some rods. There are set of rods 7. In one set there is, I'm going to count here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 rods are there, steel rods. Now keep in mind that these edges are very sharp, so while assembling it, be careful, so you might get hurt. Okay, here is a red cloth we are going to put over on the portable wardrobe. So I just unfolding it, so you can see it very nice and fine color. it is an zip on it, you can see it. Okay, so we are going to start an assembling our portable wardrobe. So this assembling video should be very long, so I kept it short, but in Hindi I kept it very much longer, so you can see it over there and you can get an idea of it. In this video I will have fast forward to it, so you can just pause it and see it how I've done this assembling video. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward it and watch this video till end. Thank you.
bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So guys, now you have seen this unboxing and you have seen the assemble also. Now it's time for the product details. So first you're going to see the width is 49 inches. So 49 inches width, and we are going to see the height. So I this 65-inch height, and we are going to see the depth. So depth is 17 inches. Depth it is of this portable wardrobe. So we are going to see the storage compartment detail. Width is 16 inches and height is 16 inches, and all the storage compartments are the same height plus width. Now we are going to see like height is 47 width. Sorry, the height is 47 inches and width is 16 inches. Same side is there. So this is your good quality cloth, and this is a quality of velvet, so it can be a long lasting. It got a very good zipper on it, so you can just snap and washable. Thank you.